Hi, welcome to another session with Examhood. Today, I want to look at a fresh topic in mathematics for primary 5, and that topic is square root. What is square root? Square root is found or is gotten when a number multiplies itself. When a particular number multiplies itself, the original number, when the original number multiplies itself, gives the square root of that number. So let's look at these examples. Now, this is a sign of square root. This is a sign of square root. So anywhere you see this sign, it implies a square root. So number one says, what is the square root of 1? What is the square root of 1? That means when you multiply 1 by itself, what is it? That's when the meaning is that, what is that number when multiplies by itself gives you 1? That's the meaning. So the square root of 1 is what? 1. Because when you multiply 1 by 1, it will give you what? 1. Therefore, the square root of 1 is 1. What is the square root of 4? It means that what is that number when multiplies itself will give you what? 4. You should know that it is 2. 2 times 2 gives you what? 4. Therefore, the square root of 4 is what? 2. Next one says, number 3, what is the square root of 81? It means that what is that number when multiplies itself will give you what? 81. What's that number? Let's say the number is 9, because 9 multiplies itself will give you what? 81. 9 times 9 will give you what? 81. And the last example, number 4, what is the square root of 100? What is that number when it multiplies by itself will give you what? 100. Look for a number such that when you say that number times itself will give you 100, and the number is 10. Because if you say 10 times 10 will give you what? Give you 100. So it's very, very simple. It's very straightforward. So these are the answers to these questions. So I'm going to stop here for today. This is Examhood. Continue to subscribe to all our social media platform. Like our videos, share them. This is the best educational platform on all social media. See you in our next video. Thank you.